So I'm in my boat and I'm trying to get it to start because I've got people waiting on me. And for some reason it won't start. I'm getting frustrated because I just ran this boat last week. Everything was fine. So I call my dealer. My dealer gets on the phone with me and he's so awesome to try and help me figure it out. And he asked me a couple of questions, one of which is it in neutral? I said, yes, it's in neutral. He said, is your safety lanyard connected? And I said, well, yeah, hold on. So I looked down at it and sure enough, there's no safety lanyard here. So I reach down, I find it down by the seat where it must have fallen off or somebody tugged it off. And I reconnect it. I test my start button out at this point, and lo and behold, it starts. What an easy fix, and my day's happy.